Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound did push up pretty strong today, but now it is recovering. We have our Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up. For me, I am definitely still a buyer, at least until we get a break of structure to the downside. If it starts closing below the 78%, then that pretty much tells me that it will break structure to the downside. But until that happens, I'm definitely primarily looking for longs. I wouldn't be surprised at this point, especially coming into Asian session, if it actually dragged out into maybe a longer, bigger, more traditional ABC correction, maybe something like this back here. But like I said, unless it breaks structure to the downside, I am definitely looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.